So the next thing I want to talk to you about is microwave meals and steam reheat. So I've bought some bog standard macaroni cheese dishes here. They're about £1.50 each from the supermarket. Now normally everybody would use the microwave to warm these up because everybody's short on time when they're hungry and they just want to get things done quickly. But I'm hopefully going to show you that if you utilise the steam reheat function, you'll get a much nicer result and much more enjoyable food. Kutchenhaus tests on the table today. Same mac, same cheese, different. Okay, so we're going to pop one into our oven on steam reheat for 10 minutes, while our other one goes in the microwave for the time stated on the packet, which is 5 minutes. Okay, so I've just taken our microwave dinners out of steam reheat and the microwave. This one here is the one that's come out of the microwave. As you can see, the sauce has started to split. A lot of the pasta is actually quite stuck together. And when I get people to taste test that in a minute, I'm going to put money on that that's quite hard. The other one that's come out of the steam reheat is quite luxurious. The sauce is really lovely and flowing. The pasta isn't sticking together. So the next thing is the proof's going to be in the eating, really. So I'm going to get some of the staff here to try it and let me know what they think.
Someone going to feed me because this could get messy otherwise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's hot.
I think the first one was the steam one.
Ah.
Is it right?
That's right, spot on.
So give that one. So that's the microwave one. What do you think of the texture?
It's quite, yeah. It's kind of a bit chewy.
But it's what you would expect from a microwave dinner.
Yeah.
Everybody expects that it's not going to be amazing. So now I'd like you to try the steam reheat one. Is there much of a difference?
Definitely feel a bit more smooth at that. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the texture of the pasta?
Yeah, much smoother, much more.
What about the sauce?
Yeah, I think that's the sauce. I think is what I noticed more with too.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent. Winner.